So I like to start with this slide in my talks, and there's a lot of local people here who have probably seen a few of my talks before. And I start with a slide, but this is the mean annual temperature of the world over the past 130 years, for which we have good actual measurements of temperature. And so what you're seeing here is not make-believe. These are real compiled data. This particular source is from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association in the United States. And this is showing mean annual temperature from the 1880s all the way up to the present, including the year 2018, that last point on there. And I'm going to use my mouse a lot today to point to things. 2016 being the warmest point on record. And since the 1950s, you know, it's pretty clear that the change in temperature of the world over time. So make no mistake about it, the planet is currently warming.